Today I'm going to show you how to auto-fit columns in Google Sheets. This is a really useful feature when you're working with data that has varying text lengths and you want everything to display properly without having to manually adjust each column width. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Google Workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet that you want to edit. This will open up your Google Sheets document in a new tab, giving you full access to all the editing tools and features you need to work with your data. Now, when it comes to auto-fitting your columns, you actually have two different methods to choose from, and both are incredibly straightforward. Let's start with the first option. Right-click on the column header that you want to resize. This will bring up a context menu with several options available. From this menu, click on Resize Column. A dialog box will appear with different resizing options. Here, you'll want to click on Fit to Data. This option automatically adjusts the column width based on the content inside it, ensuring that all your text is visible without any unnecessary extra space. Once you've selected Fit to Data, go ahead and click OK to apply the changes. The column will instantly resize to accommodate your content perfectly. The second option is even quicker if you're working with multiple columns and want to save time. Simply position your cursor on the right edge of the column header, right where the vertical line separates one column from another. You'll notice your cursor changes to a resize icon. Once you see this icon, double-click on that vertical line. Just like that, the column will automatically adjust to fit the data inside it. This method is particularly handy when you need to resize several columns in succession because it's so fast and doesn't require navigating through any menus. And that's it. You've successfully learned two different ways to auto-fit columns in Google Sheets, making your spreadsheets cleaner and more professional looking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.